so once we head down here, we're going to be heading to the left. You can see that it just goes off. These guys are going straight. We're going to head to the left. If this is too steep for you, there is a route round to the left here that goes round and through the trees and back, which I can take. Okay, still a bit bumpy. Oh, then you can turn it pretty straight to get down over a bump. Got to be nice and flat and straight. It's going to be a little bit slow. Yeah, keep going. Keep going down. So just hold on there, Nick, for a sec.
Sorry?
Just hold up here for a sec.
Oh, it's a bit challenging.
Okay.
Powder really
Yeah,
bites
so
into the seat.
yeah, the powder today is usually it's nice and fluffy and soft. As it's a little bit warmer today, it's going to be a little bit sticky.
Yeah,
So you might find yourself slowing down.
And I find I was, because of the slowing down, I'm like almost falling forward.
Yeah, so as you can see the tracks behind you, you see everyone's come down the same bit.
Yeah.
So if we stay in the same bit as everyone else, we're just going to feel like more normal snow.
Okay.
Whereas if we do dip into the powder, it's going to slow us down.
Okay.
Yeah, I got curious.
And then information
Yeah, like,
point.
oh, gosh. No.
So the run here is a green run. You just want to hop over here a little bit. Keep coming. So the green run here is called Service, and there is an Olympic champion from Canada who I believe trained here, and her name is Kelsey Service.
Yeah.
Sarah.
Oh.
But the run isn't actually named after her. It's actually named after her granddad that I think helped either do the run or like clear the trees or something like that.
Okay.
Oh,
But
that's
yeah.
awesome.
Interesting fact. As we go down here, it's going to turn to left. It's going to turn to. There's actually no more turn offs. I think it's pretty much dead straight the whole way. Yeah, just keep following the run. I'll keep recording you guys. I'll just be in and out
When
of
it
you.
gets a bit slower, let me know. So I'll try to remember if I can do the 360 or the 180.
Yeah.
180.
Yeah, she can do 360s.
And
But
360.
I couldn't yesterday. I was just like, early I
Sure.
might be able to. Later I won't.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like a jump. You're gonna be in the air. And
Just like flat
spin.
ground.
Just spinning.
I'll show Keep going.
Going?
Yeah, keep going. It just looks good for the camera. Sweet. It's hilarious. Everybody's in the same track. Okay. There's a bunch of people coming if you want to let them pass. Just because everyone's using the same track, because in the powder it's very, very sticky, right? Very different conditions. Almost like a different sport.
Yeah.
I mean, you can join our group if you want, huh, man?
This is much harder than yesterday.
Yeah. So, even when we're going here, we can make short turns in the little trough that we have.
Yeah, fun.
For yourself, we can just make a pizza just to slow down if we feel we're going too fast, right?
That's what I ended up doing that.
Yeah.
I'm like, I can't seem to turn. And it's
Yeah.
narrow.
It's very sticky, very hard.
Yeah.
That's okay, you got it. Yeah, very challenging. I've never actually seen it like this, to be fair. Yeah, oh no. Put the hands down. It's probably not the best place to try it. There's a little bit, when we see the lifts again, that's probably a good place to try. In a little bit. 60s, then we're gonna ride down. You see where it says, you see the two orange fences?
Yeah.
We're gonna ride in between the 200 fences.
Okay.
So do your tricks, through the slow sign, through the yellow barrier, down between the orange, so in between the lifts, and then we're gonna line up on the left of the ridge rocket.
Now, when I'm going this way, do I
Yeah.
look this way and keep turning?
So whichever way your board is turning is the same way that your head should keep looking.
Okay. I always
So
get-
for
I always
example,
switch, I get
if I'm going this way, I'm looking until I see the lift again. Need a little bit more speed. That's okay, a little bit faster just so that we can get the momentum. Almost. So a little bit faster again. Make the entry, the first one, a little bit quicker.
Why can't I squeeze? Is that how I'm supposed to squeeze it?
You have to not squeeze, well, the hips have to come forward like we said yesterday. So go faster than you think you need. So fast, up the hill, keep looking, yeah buddy, let's go, woo! Because it's very sticky today, we have to go a lot faster.
Gotcha.
So the one that you did that was perfect was
Fast.
quite fast. The snow's grabbing your board the whole time.
Right. Let's go down. I think
Okay.
3 tries to do it. Let's get to the...
Coming up. Keep coming. So I'll show you the way and then you can follow as well. We're going to go through here. The house that you see over here
Beautiful.
has apparently been made from naturally fallen trees.
Wow.
So I don't know how true that is, but apparently only trees that have fallen down naturally have been used to build that house.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, maybe. And I think from memory it is about 9 million Canadian
To buy.
to buy. You can rent it out, but it's ridiculously expensive, and it has been used in a lot of like Chalet Girl films. Not the film Chalet Girl, but like snowboarding and stuff. So you can now say you've been there, you've seen it, and yeah, interesting stuff. So from here we're going to go straight across the road, and we are going to go
Straight ahead.
straight ahead here, down this way. Yeah, it's very flat, so as soon as you guys can, keep your speed the whole way. You get to a bridge, it flattens out, goes downhill. We keep going dead straight. As long as we keep going straight, we end up at Black Forest Lift.
All right.
Make sense? Cool. Then go, 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 go.